Hello, my name is Chris and this is a lesson for Learn British English Free, the YouTube channel. I'm from England in the UK. I live in Cambridge. I want to tell you about a very important phrasal verb, and I will explain how to use it so that you can sound completely natural, like a native speaker here, if you want to. The phrasal verb is to let someone know, to let me know, I'll let you know, that kind of thing. Now I will tell you how to use it in the correct way. We like to say let someone know instead of tell sometimes, T-E-L-L, tell someone. The reason is tell is very short and direct. Let you know sounds more polite, less direct. You probably think I'm crazy, and you're right. It's because I'm British. We love things, very small details to make our language softer, we say. It's softer, it's more polite. Here is how we do it, especially for commands or instructions, of course. Instead of tell me, it sounds rather hard. We like to say, let me know, or please let me know when you get the update. That would be especially common in a business situation, which is another reason why I'm telling you this. If you're working with British people, you're likely to hear let me know, I'll let you know, instead of tell. We can use let someone know a lot when we're talking about the future. I'll let you know tomorrow. She'll let you know next week. We can use it also with the past perfect. They've let me know. I've let him know. However, I was thinking about this and I reckon that for the past simple we don't use let someone know that much. We still prefer tell. I told him yesterday. Of course, I told you so. And an extra bit, a fixed expression. Let me tell you something. Blah blah blah. We use it as an introduction. We always say, let me tell you something. Those are some ideas. Please add let me know, let you know to your vocabulary. Mix it up instead of tell. You can sound more like a British person if you want to, and it will help if you're speaking to anyone from the UK. Good luck. What do you think about this lesson? Please let me know by writing a comment. Thank you for watching. My name is Chris. These lessons are available on Learn British English Free on YouTube. Please subscribe. They're also on Facebook. I have the British English page and the Learn English Free public group. We're on Instagram. It's called Learn British English. I have the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, and you can contact me for private lessons. Please look in the description. My email address is there. It's the yahoo.com one. There are other things, other sites. Please look below. You're welcome to join and invite your friends and classmates. Everyone is welcome. Thanks again. I will be back soon. See you then. Bye.